Hi, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I just got from the library. I'm so excited. Entertaining with Disney. Exceptional Events. Gorgeous, gorgeous hardcover expensive book by Amy Crushorn. I don't know if this is a cookbook or not, but I have a feeling it's party porn, food porn, gorgeous, September 2019. I'm going to try and be careful because there are a whole bunch of people on hold waiting for this at the library system. Okay, how to use this book, blah, I'm going to skip it. Looks like they have a party for their various characters. There's a Cinderella Stroke of Midnight New Year's Eve party. The Lion King Welcome to the Pride baby shower, cute. Alice in Wonderland, of course there's an Alice party. Queen of Hearts Valentine's Day garden party. That sounds fun. Mickey and Minnie Mouse Ears birthday party. Mickey and Minnie aren't really my thing, but you might like that. The Little Mermaid's bridal shower brunch. Aladdin Arabian outdoor movie night. Ooh, I might turn to that first for our sneak peek. The Princess and the Frog New Orleans dinner party. Ooh, I went to New Orleans for my 50th birthday this April. Thank you very much. I know, right? Moana Matu Nui Island summer barbecue. That sounds nice. Peter Pan Never Grow Up birthday party. Disney Vile Villains Halloween pumpkin carving party. And of course a Frozen Winter Wonderland holiday brunch. Okay. Here's an introduction by the lady that wrote the book. Oh, the photography is stunning. Now, in real life, would I have the time to set up a beautiful New Year's Eve brunch like that, decorated that nicely? Probably not. I work full time and throw a party every weekend, but that's lovely. Okay, it wouldn't be that hard to put little blackberries on crackers with cheese. Okay. The tablecloth is beautiful. I actually own a pumpkin tureen similar to that. It doesn't have gold on it. Decorations. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful event overview. So every party's going to have this. So for this one, I'll just give as an example. For the menu, Royal Roast Beef Crostini, Jack and Gus's Cheese Nibbles, of course the mice want to do that, Sparkling Gelatin Squares, okay, not vegetarian, either is the beef, that's fine, Bibbidi Bobbidi Blue Velvet Cupcakes, that sounds fun, Midnight Magic Punch. For the space, Pumpkin Punch Bowl, Glass Slipper Centerpiece, I hope she's going to teach you how to make it or buy something that looks like it, Bluebird Backdrop. For fun, At Midnight turned into a party board and royal invitations. Okay. Here's the punch bowl with something blue in it. Here's the recipes. A little picture of Cinderella, illustration I mean. Here's the cupcakes, okay. How to make the cupcakes, Midnight Magic Punch, yeah. How do you make a glass slipper? Oh, pumpkin carriage punch bowl. You are adorning a regular... a vinyl template and a white pumpkin-shaped bowl. Okay. So you're doing a little crafting, not just cooking. Glass slipper centerpiece. Where do you get the slipper from? Plastic glass slipper from a party store. Okay, fair enough. Okay. So it's kind of a sourcing ideas book too. Here's the bonus, how to make invitations. I don't have time to make custom invitations for parties. And this is very important, putting it all together. 2 or more weeks before the party, 1 week before the party, 2 days before, 1 day before, and the day of course, is a lot of stuff that has to go on. I like that. So we're not going to peek at every party in the book, because that's cheating. We need to check it out from the library or buy it. But the photography is spectacular. I love that every party has a guide. I'm skipping through. Okay, day before, day of Alice in Wonderland. Ooh, nice. Valentine's Day here is rainy or snowy usually, so I don't go outside. I'm going to flip through and see if there's anything we should be particularly looking at. Okay, get to that Mickey and Minnie. Yeah, that kind of looks like a hot mess. Sorry, no offense. Just thought I'd warn you in case you're spending money. Yeah, not the type of party I would personally throw. This is pretty. Little Mermaid. I knew that would be fabulous. Did I not hear that there's no... Wait, is there no Beauty and the Beast party in this book? Was I paying attention when I read that to you? Mermaid Tales. Okay. Aladdin, Arabian Nights. Love it. I actually throw Arabian Nights parties a lot, not necessarily Aladdin. So I have a lot of teal and purple and hot pink things. And yep, silk pillows, fake Persian rugs. Oh, I love it. That's cool. Princess and the Frog, not my favorite Disney movie. I'm glad they made it. It's about time we had a black princess. Moana. Fun, colorful. Sliders. Okay. Lay's. There's a lot of crafting in this book. I think I just want to do the cooking. And we'll take a quick peek at the Halloween. Of course, that's super fun. Villains, easy, fun to do. Okay. This is nice. I would definitely give this as a gift book to someone who loves Disney and throws parties. Just a random person who likes Disney. If they're not really into crafting and cooking and hosting, this wouldn't do it. And it's not cheap. But it's beautiful. It's super fun to look through. I'm going to turn the camera off and go sit with a cup of tea and look through it slowly so that I can give it back to the library tomorrow because people are waiting for it. So that's Entertaining with Disney. Check it out. Let me know what you think. And thank you for watching Cookbook Divas. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, and maybe Pinterest coming up soon if I have time.